This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal raisin cookies using an easy method. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line baking sheets with parchment paper. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of packed brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, in a separate medium bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Finally, fold in 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats and 1 cup of plump raisins until evenly distributed throughout the dough. Now it's time to bake these delightful treats. Drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto your prepared baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in your preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown and the centers are just set. Be careful not to overbake them to keep them soft. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheets for about 5 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them firm up and prevents them from breaking. Store your cooled oatmeal raisin cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 to 4 days. They are perfect with a cup of coffee or a cold glass of milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.